So I will begin. As I thought we were 9 of us, I already prepared something yesterday because I mean it's a lot of food. You know, it's. I thought we were 9, so I bought 8 thighs, which are pretty big, and so I already prepared 4 thighs yesterday. So I'm going to show you how it looks like, and this is basically what we're going to do.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the same pot that was in the video.
Yeah.
No secrets here.
Did you watch it several times?
It's a star.
Yeah. So here we go. That's how it's gonna look later. So the 4 thighs are inside. It's a mix of tomatoes, peanut butter, pepper, onion, garlic, etc. It's very good. You see. So we're gonna do that, and later I will warm it up, and then we'll share it. No problem. The problem is I noticed it's induction, so this doesn't go on an induction stove. This is. So I will put it in another pan. So it's indulge.
It's tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, I can never figure it out.
So in this dish, the chicken mafé, we call chicken mafé, means chicken and peanut sauce. Mafé is a word from Mali. Mali is in the northern part of Africa, and it means peanut sauce.
Okay.
Butter and 400 milliliters of cocoa milk for the sauce. So that's for the main dish. Oh, I also use this. 3 of these.
Oh yeah. Oh, for the broth.
Yes. I mean, I mix it with at the end before I cook it for 30 minutes, and then I will mix it and it melts. So I use 2 onions and 2 garlic cloves. No, that's the original tuber. It's the manioc. It's in English.
Right,
It's cassava.
Yeah, which I've seen in markets for sure.
So they make attieke out of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
It's semolina of manioc,
Got it.
basically.
All right.
I will show you. I have a bag.
Yeah,
that
I
you
know
need.
you
Yeah.
will. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So let's start. Africans use a lot of oil.
Yeah.
So I will too. Okay.
They always use peanut oil, or they use other?
I mean, it's requested for the recipe. It gives taste of peanut. So bay leaves and thyme. So I put some bay leaves in the sauce plus thyme branches. It gives taste at the end. That's really personal. It's not in Africa. I mean, they don't use it in Africa really. Yeah, I think it's enhances the taste a little bit. So. While the thighs will brown in the oil, in the meantime, it will take 10 minutes approximately. In the meantime, I will chop the onion, the garlic, the tomatoes, the pepper. And each time I'm doing, I end chopping something, I will turn them. So no secret here, I'm just chopping the ingredients. I don't have a specific technique, I'm doing this grossly. And then I'm gonna mix it in the bowl like this.
So chopped, not really minced.
Yeah. I mean, it's really up to you. You know, it depends. There's no. It's not that. Or could I say that strict? I have to say I'd rather do simple things, but good things.
Yeah.
I'm not a real cook. I'm just doing this because I love it.
No.
So okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So see, each time I'm chopping something, I'm turning the meat.
Ooh, it's already smelling. No, we have 8.
So you may believe it's a lot of onion and garlic. Yeah, I mean it's 6, and no, I'm making for 2 here.
Oh.
But they eat a lot of onion in Africa, garlic and onion. Okay. Has everyone been in Africa already, except you?
I have not.
No, never.
Never.
So I was telling, I was explaining that I lived years in Africa because my father was working over there. So I lived in Cameroon for 3 years, and then we went to Ivory Coast, Abidjan, and then we went to Nigeria. So I'm going to keep a little bit for the bananas. I will show you later.
How hot are these, Benoit? Are these super hot? Can we try? Can you give us half of one? Half a piece? Us. Me?
I'll wait for the meat.
Okay.
Me too. I'll pass.
They're okay, really.
Chicken.
You know,
Yeah.
Oh,
that's okay.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and I will use the oil for all the rest. So I let the mix of onion and garlic brown a little bit, you know, it gets translucent. You can come in and see if you want. I mean, you know that.
You took the meat out, right?
The what, sorry?
You took the meat out.
Yes, the meat is here on the side. I keep it aside. I just wanted to roast it again, roast it before it's cooked. African store. If you go to the Tamil area of Paris, nearby Gare du Nord, they sell
yeah,
this.
it's a big time. It's like the weeks.
I was up at Chateau Rouge.
Chateau Rouge, yeah.
And there was shop after shop after
Yeah.
shop after shop.
You can touch it. It's
Yeah.
kind of hard, see?
Oh, yeah.
But once it's broken up,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it will look and feel like semolina.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow, yeah.
See, you break it. And the cooking is very, very simple. You know, the longest part is basically to break it apart like this.
No, this is more like rice
It's
Yeah.
like rice.
Yeah.
Just
Something on the side.
or quinoa.
Yeah.
Right, so it takes the.
Yeah, it's a side dish.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a side dish, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm not gonna mix it with the dish here. It's.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you wouldn't add it to
No.
something like that?
It's
It's
on the
always
side.
served
Yes.
separately.
Yes.
But it might be something that someone might possibly put the sauce on, I imagine.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like
yeah.
rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I will serve it without any mix except salt and pepper. That's it. Then it cooks like I don't know, 1 minute to 2 minutes in the microwave. You don't need. I mean, the other technique is to steam it in a
Like
couscous pan.
Yeah.
But I don't have a couscous pan, so I will use the microwave. I mean, it's easier and it's very quick.
That's
So
what I would
it's
use.
always an accompaniment.
Sorry, that's what I would use. That would.
No, you're not gonna use a couscous pan for.
What is a couscous pan?
You know, you use a couscous pan to make a couscous.
It's a double,
With
with a perforated base. Right. I
Oh.
have one actually.
Oh,
It's totally useless.
oh, the steam. Okay.
No, they cook the couscous inside. So
Okay.
in the big pan there's all the vegetables and the sauce, and on top of it there's like a with holes
Yeah.
that let the
Where the
steam
steam
goes
comes
through. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to cook the attieke this way, but no. Honestly, really.
It was so much fun cooking with the ladies of AWG in Paris. I hope you enjoyed this African recipe. Can't wait until the next Global Gourmet with Annette. Au revoir et à bientôt. Merci encore.